Get loan and be approved without a payslip by simply running every dollar you get through your bank account. You can do this by using the ATM deposit or stepping into the bank. Money going through your bank account becomes your cash flow. The bank just wants to see money going in and out. That is your only proof that you have an income. Register a business with the Office of Registrar of Companies and open a business bank account. First Global Bank offered simplified bank accounts to sole trader businesses with $2 million limit. You may contact them. Not sure if they are still doing that. Now you have business credit. You can have personal credit for yourself and business credit. You can actually borrow simultaneously. As with business account. Run every dollar through it. That is the only proof you have that you are getting money. A good deposit taking place to do this is also at your local credit union.